everybody, Alec here. Today I want to talk a little bit about loading the dishwasher. After eating a meal, it's important to put your dishes in the dishwasher. When I'm at home, after I eat, I first pick up my plates and my utensils. Then I scrape all my food that's left into the trash can. After that, I put my knife, plate, and fork into the sink. I walk back to the table to pick up my glass. Then I pour the leftover liquids into the sink. I then open up the dishwasher, open up the bottom drawer, and I take my fork and put it where the forks go. Then I take my knife, which is always face down, where the knives go. Then I take my glass and put it in the top drawer, face down, where the glasses go. Then I take my plate and put it where all the other plates are. Last but not least, I close up the entire dishwasher. I feel proud of myself for helping out. My parents are happy and proud because they appreciate it when I'm helpful. I bet your parents will appreciate it too. Now at the end here, I want to give a special shout out to my friends Jacob, Liam, and Sophia. I know you can do it.